Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
Combine 250 g all-purpose flour with 1 tsp instant yeast, 1 tsp salt, 1 tablespoon olive oil, and 160 ml lukewarm water. Mix until shaggy, then knead 8 to 10 minutes until the dough is smooth and elastic. Place the dough in a lightly oiled bowl, cover with a damp cloth or plastic wrap, and proof at room temperature for 60 minutes until doubled in size. Punch down gently. Divide and shape into one 10-inch ball. Rest for a final 20 minutes before rolling to a 3. 5 mm. Preheat a heavy cast iron or nonstick tawa on medium-high heat for 3 to 4 minutes until hot but not smoking. Roll the dough to a 10-inch disc about 3-5 mm thick. Spread 80 g tomato sauce evenly across the surface, leaving a 1 cm rim for the crust. Scatter 150 g shredded mozzarella and 6 to 8 fresh basil leaves. Sprinkle 1/4 tsp salt, 1/2 tsp dried oregano, and finish with a 1 tsp drizzle of olive oil to enhance browning and flavor under the tawa lid. Slide the rolled dough onto the hot tawa and cook the raw side for 90 seconds to 2 minutes until small bubbles appear and the bottom lightens. Flip the base, immediately add the prepared tomato sauce, mozzarella, and basil, then reduce heat to low and cover with a tight-fitting lid to trap heat. Cook 6 to 8 minutes until the cheese is fully melted and the edges show golden brown spots. Remove, let rest 1 minute. Garnish with torn basil. Drizzle 1 tsp olive oil. Slice into 6 pieces and serve hot.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.